Is love really stronger than hate? In a world where there's so much division, can love really overpower hate? I've been even having sleepless nights because I feel the urgency and the need to do something, to say something, to see what we can do.
This conversation started on a live TikTok broadcast, but I wanted to bring it here because the stakes are too important.
This week, I went on my TikTok and there was a live going on. I saw that there was a lot of Haitians, Jamaicans, Caribbean people, Black Americans. People were talking and sharing. So I said, great, let me jump on this live. And when I went on, guys, I was so shocked because of the kind of hate talk that was going on, where someone was saying, why are all these Haitians in our country? Why don't they just leave? You people don't share your culture with us. You people. These are people that look like us. Same color, skin color. People of the same heritage. We've got to stop this hate. We've got to unite. What is this? This is the way the world is going now. Our world. That's the reality, where people are fighting against other people. And then it reminds me, guys, of Rwanda. Some years ago, in the 1990s, there was a major genocide in an African country called Rwanda. I watched the movie called Hotel Rwanda. And would you believe that within a 3-month period between April to July 1994, almost 1 million people were killed from a different tribe, people that looked the same skin color, same country. But there was the rivalry going on where they were saying things like, oh, this one is taking our land, this one is taking our jobs, this one has more opportunities. The Hutus were saying, we're gonna kill all the Tutsis, a different tribe. And almost 1 million people were killed. In addition, there were physical harm, sex crimes against the women and children. It was horrible. But you know what? Thank God that I can use Rwanda as an example, from my opinion, that love can still win. Because guess what? A few years later, in the 2000s, there are lots of laws that were changed. They used to require you to carry these ID cards to identify yourself, that you're from this tribe. In Rwanda, what they did is they cut that out. We no longer have no need to identify. Like they're telling us, oh, you better walk around with your passport and your ID in America. Haiti continues to be such a great example of love. I've experienced it personally. That's why I talk so much about Haitian love, Haitian freedom. Haiti is an example. You guys set the pace in helping the rest of us to be free. And you're showing us how to love, even though all of this fight is going on against you. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to have Elsie here as we talk about this topic of love. You guys probably watched the American Super Bowl and saw what Bad Bunny did and how he stood out for unity. He mentioned our countries, all of us, North America, South America, in between, the Caribbean. My country was mentioned, IT was mentioned. We were so happy, and it's still causing a lot of controversy. So the battle goes on. Rwanda is a good example of what can happen, because now things are beautiful in Rwanda. It's one of the countries that's doing amazing right now, economically and socially and otherwise. So there's hope.
In terms of what happened in Rwanda, laws changed, ID cards were removed, there was a focus on unity, and today Rwanda is doing well socially and economically. They're doing exceptionally well. Now this proves something to us. Did love erase the pain? No, it did not erase the pain, but it certainly stopped the cycle. That's why this matters now, because division always starts with words. us, with suspicion, with us versus them. And history shows us where that road can lead if we don't stop it early. So when I ask whether love is stronger than hate, my answer is this: yes, but only if we choose it intentionally, only if we refuse to dehumanize people who look like us, only if we learn before history forces the lesson again. Friends, this is not about politics. It's not about blaming. It's about awareness and choice. Because unity doesn't happen by accident. It happens when people decide that hate has gone far enough. And the question we should all be asking is, will we learn before it's too late?